Greetings, welcome to my channel. Namaskar, dosto. And today's topic is about analyzing a name using numerology. There has been some social media rumor mill going on about renaming India to Bharat or Hindustan. So I thought, let me do an analysis of which name is good to continue with India or rename it to either Hindustan or Bharat, and I will be analyzing this name using numerology. Just in case, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon beside it. So let's begin. What is numerology? Numerology is the science of deciphering destiny and luck based on numbers. In numerology, only the numbers 1 through 9 are considered. There are 9 planets in our solar system, and there is no getting away from that. And all these 9 numbers have been associated with a certain planet. And each and every planet has certain inherent characteristics, which is called as Karak Tattva in Sanskrit. Karak Tattva means characteristics, and these characteristics are influencing some spheres of our lives. So every planet influences a certain sphere of our life. Similarly, every number influences a certain sphere of our life. Now, each and every alphabet has been assigned a number. A name is not made of a single alphabet. It's made out of a combination of alphabets. What we do in numerology is we take the name, we find the individual numbers and we add them up. And the sum of these gives us a number which is called as a compound number. The compound number has a signification. Now, if you take the compound number and you add it together in such a manner that it ends up in a single digit, then the single digit also has a certain signification and it influences a certain sphere of our lives. So let's start analyzing the names. So here I have the 3 names: India, Hindustan and Bharat. If we take India, like I said, each and every alphabet has been given a number. I has been given 1, N has been given 4, 5, D has been given 4, I again 1 and A 1. Okay, now how did I get these numbers? This is a standard numerological numbering system, and it is used in the Chaldean numerology, and it's a very old science. So now if you see, if you add all these individual digits, it comes out as 12. And now this compound number is 12. Okay, now 12 itself has a certain signification to it. Okay, and if we add the 2 and 1, it gives you 3, which is the single digit number. So this also has a signification. Now, if you see the compound number 12, it shows anxiety, suffering, and becoming a victim. So generally what happens is when the number 12 appears, it means that the person or the country tends to become a victim of the circumstances. So generally it talks about sacrificing one's own plans for someone else's benefit. So this is not very good when it comes in respect to a country. Now, if we take the word and if we see the single digit, which is a 3, the 3 is a very nice digit number. Okay, it's very good if it comes for a person, because the 3 is represented by the planet Jupiter. Jupiter has the Karak Tattva or the characteristics of a teacher. So that is why if you see today India, we are in the teaching mode. So there is a lot of yoga coming, then yoga practices are coming, okay, and then how do you do meditation and spiritualistic gurus. All these are coming because of India, and the third digit 3. 3 is ruled by Jupiter. Jupiter is a teacher, natural teacher. So that is why you can see India is scoring brownie points in teaching. And that too, when you say Jupiter, Jupiter talks about dharma and the righteous path. What is the righteous path? Then it is teaching all these uh, Shastras and Vedas and so many things. So it has gone in this direction. So that is why you can see a lot of gurus, yoga, meditation, everything coming out because of the single digit 3. Next, we take uh, the name Hindustan. If we take Hindustan, we find these are the individual numbers, and if we add them up, it gives the number compound number 34 and the single digit which is 7. Now there is a lot of theory in numerology which talks about Fadic numbers and path numbers, destiny numbers. So keep all those out for now. Okay, I just explain it quickly because I don't want to bore you with all those kind of topics and jargon around. So just try to understand what these numbers mean, and I just quickly explain it to you. So the number 34 is generally not a very lucky number because 34 is like, it's an average neutral number. So it can either go positive or negative based upon, what somebody is doing or how they are thinking. And this is not very good, especially when it comes for a country. The single digit number 7 uh, is also not a very good number. Number 7 is associated with Neptune, and Neptune, if you have, even if you understand it, it's a planet that is very very far away from the Earth. Okay, it's ice cold, and if you look at the Karatattva of Neptune, it talks more about change, travel, restless nature, visiting foreign countries and trying to, get the desires fulfilled in some foreign countries and blah, blah, blah. So number 7 also does not show action orientation. So there is a lack of action and there is a lack of clarity. So when this number appears for a country, it's deemed not so good. Finally, if we look at the last name, which is Bharat, Bharat, if we add all the numbers, it comes out to be 15. 15 is a very beautiful number. It's a very very powerful number in occult science, and it talks about magic, mystery, and occult sciences. It also shows great success in arts, sciences, and it's also very good for obtaining favors from higher authorities. So when this number 15 comes in a country, it's very good because it helps you to go forward, because you can represent well, you can put the country in the forefront, and then everything, you can easily explain things to people, and there is a certain amount of determination, because number 15 results in a single digit 6. Number 6 stands for determination. The other point, number 6 is associated with the planet Venus, and we all know Venus denotes arts. Venus denotes luxurious items. Venus has got the magnetic personality and the attraction. And if you are more into astrology and other things, you can understand that Venus is the one that creates relationships between two individuals, and it is the one that helps the relationships to prosper. So it talks about love, affection, and Venus. The thing about Venus is As much as it is lovable and affectionate, so much can it also become very adamant if it is aroused into anger. So that is why if you see people who have very strong Venus, the husband and wife or some friends, they go along very well, or partners, they go along very well. But when things start breaking down, and there is a friction, then it is the same Venus that can result in either separation or divorce or something like that. So when the number six comes in as a number for a country, it's really great, and it gives the determinism, it gives the magnetism, gives luxuries, and all the good things that Venus can bring with it. I hope I could give you some insight into the various names of India and how to analyze a name based on numerology. And in the past, I have also done a video on world events, and I did predict some world events using mundane astrology, that which you can watch here. And if you have missed that, wish you all a very happy Diwali. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna.